Yeah, Summer. Yeah. I come pick you up, you know. So just get ready. We got a movie and we got a park, you know. Yeah, liquor man, you see me? Alright. Bless her.
What you done, man? Everywhere you go, you bring one like a bad man.
Girl, I know this might seem strange, but let me know I'm out of order. Step into you this way. See, I've been watching you for a while, and I would like to let you know that I'm really feeling your style. Cause I want to know the message.
I really want to take a photo of the rain. When it's on a shine, I will take your phone.
It's a Rasta blessing.
If you don't, then I ain't mad at you. But we can still be cool, cause I'm not trying to pressure you.
Never too light at the move for them. They don't know what to come out from.
Daddy, my name is I've been calling you and answer your phone now. More know where you're depending now. Why you not answer your friggin' phone? But this is what I tell you. So if you don't answer your phone, you know what I'm going to call somebody else. Come in the spirit. Shit, I don't been to me calling my answer my phone. I know I'm going to call somebody else to come over here.
I go feel one summer for my rent, you know, I'll daddy more me. Oh, but now she this man, good evening, Miss Summer.
Can't every minute how much watch me. They can't live in peace.
Me are the landlord and you owe me my rent. My rent, me come to collect. My rent, me come to collect. Watching you do, you can't help me. My rent is important for you to pay.
Can't, alright. I know you come for your rent, but me not tell you the 15th of the month to come for your rent.
Say me come for my rent, and we are tell me about me I watch you. Watch you for one. No more say me rent.
I have to laugh. I'm something I barely about to take me to this apartment.
But you know, no man.
I want one room I live in now. Every minute you come and sneak up on me. I sneak up on me. I get the rent.
Everybody rent one room. It's all about a one bedroom.
What do you want me to do? You want me to go take the streets, go work for pay a little cheap rent?
That is your business. That is not my complaint. That is not my business. That is your prerogative. Your prerogative is your one. My one is my one. Me come for collect. Feel me rent.
But you never get it to them.
No, listen. You say come the first.
Yes.
When me come the first, you say come the 5th.
The 5th? No, I say come the 15th. You come the first, I say cat. You know, so me get paid every 2 weeks. Next time I get my pay is the 15th. And that's when you get your money.
So there is a lie from the 1st to the 5th year you pay rent.
But may you talk about that one.
So hold on, tell me something. Every 2 weeks you get paid for the 15th of every month, the middle of the month to the end of the month. I say you get for your pay.
Yes. I tell you that over and over again. I'm sorry, but I can't pay today. So just can't. I can't. Listen, let me look at what I'm going to take care of. Let me just go in, please.
Yes, you have him to take care of, but me come to collect my rent. That is one of the things where you need to take care of. There's a roof over your head and you live under that roof. You're supposed to pay the rent.
Look from when the bathroom and you can have something there. And me can't use to fix it. Look from when we not even have light in the back room.
But tell me something. Look how you pretty and fancy up. New falls here, jacket, coat. Then you know, could I use piece of that the money buy stop leak for the bathroom around there. In life, who no make life so hard.
I tell you, come back the 15th. Come the 15th, you get to rent. The tired right man.
It's something about your walk, your talk, your style, your smile. I swear I'm seeing us having a child in a while. Got my number, start dialing me now. I want you, not the ones that come around in the crowd. I could turn your dark night to a bright day. I feel like Johnny Gill, I could be loving you the right way. Ain't no bluffing, ain't no question if I might stay. Believe if you need me, ain't no question what I might say. I'm right there, without a slight fear. When your vision gets blurry, you can see me quite clear.
I don't want you to do anything to hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Just don't hurt me.
They're the ones that did you wrong, but you belong.
Son.
Yeah, Robert.
Man, I'm tired like you doing work.
Hey, doing work. Hey, what's up?
What's up? How's things?
Everything good?
Kinda slow.
And?
Well, make a long story short, I gotta let you go.
Robert, come on.
So you gonna hit me?
You ain't even warned me about this.
Hey, the economy.
Come on, please, I got my son and my bills. Please.
I understand, I got bills.
2 more weeks at least.
I can't afford 2 more weeks.
I was just wondering if you guys are hiring.
What?
Are you guys hiring?
Hiring?
Yeah. Hiring. Are you hiring?
Hiring? Let me see. I don't know. This hiring?
We have a baby.
Black to say, baby.
Hiring. Are you hiring?
Yeah.
You're hiring right now?
Hiring. Hiring?
Yeah. Right, thanks. I was wondering if you guys were hiring. Sure you don't need no help right now? Joe, I don't feel like talk right now, man. You know you're messy, man.
Just action and love go on.
No, not time for that, yeah, man.
Seriously now.
They just fire me on my job, man.
Channels, them really fire you?
Yes! I did it this morning, good at working, and I do all of the files, and the man come at the end of the day after I done every working at your way, and the man come fire me, man.
Channels style. The wickedness.
I don't know what I'm gonna do in a man. Me have my run for pay, me have Devante. No food not even on my fridge, man.
Yeah. Son, they tell a long time, you know.
So tell me what?
My girl. Who do I feel go through them things, you know?
Your girl?
You know that man so much.
Joey, me not nobody girl right now. Me a woman, and you don't see that for yourself, man. You know, my time on knees, I come tell me about your girl. Me have my problems right now. Me don't want to hear that, man. Why you somebody come pay me rent and somebody come buy me food, fill up my fridge and take care of me and my pitney, you know?
That me I tell you a while ago.
You're not telling me nothing, man.
I
Right
tell
now.
you, if my girl.
Can't even
Who do
remember.
I feel go to where I go to right now?
What you about that, yeah, man? Can't even remember being a girl.
Yeah. Every woman in her life remember when she was a little girl.
Not me. I try my best not to remember none of that. I tell you. If me even tell you about my childhood, you probably wouldn't like me to say. I tell you that.
Yeah. Real thing, sir. So we
know
know
what's up.
I always love them. Yeah.
You keep on talking about love, and you see me in my time I need and my last my job. You're going to get put out and you talk about love.
John Austin, stop worrying yourself, man.
Me for what you worry for me, Joey? What you worry for me? What you worry for me?
No, a matter of fact, I'll go eat some lunch.
I don't want no food, Joey. I not work.
What happened when you so late?
I'm fire me today, man.
For real?
Yeah. Me in the place I work good, and the man wait till me finish all my files them, you know. And I come fire me, you know. But say, oh, them not making enough money and them something there. I can't take it to know every day the same thing. Me just can't get by, no matter how I try. Look from when me did I work with a man.
For real? I saw them stay,
Can't
man.
take it to no man.
So what you gonna do now?
I know me I go do, who me for do? The man come for all him rent and me not even pay my rent. Me not even have my food in my fridge.
Right now, what I can say, I'm gonna help you out, but you don't know, you get up bright and early and find another job.
A job me I look from evening for them fire me, a job me dip on the road and look.
That's why you late.
That's why I'm late. What the man today?
Him just asleep.
Him eat?
Yeah, him eat.
Why me I tell you, no man?
Don't worry, man, I'm there for you.
Just hard for me, I don't know how me go find my rent.
I'm gonna call him, man,
Every day the same thing.
Right?
Yes.
I'm gonna call him and talk to him.
I be a liberty to take me in, man. I try me there work and the man just come on my desk about me fight and all laugh with me like me and my friend.
For real? I not tell him from the man.
Not tell me, I beg him out 2 more weeks. The man said he can't do that because it's too much for him. I'm gonna lose money now, make the money.
Just like that?
Stop you fool me, go on in a man. How me gonna manage?
God will provide, man. You'd manage, man.
I come go home, yeah?
You manage. Just take it easy. I'm a friend. Me there for you. Don't
no,
worry.
Man. Thanks,
don't cry.
Thanks.
Alright?
You always know to cheer me up doing
Alright, yeah. Except that my friend there for man.
That
you
makes
don't know.
Alright, tomorrow if anything.
Alright, take it easy.
It's the paddy wag. What's wrong with you? What's wrong?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry again? I just gave you bread and juice.
I don't.
You don't like it?
No.
So what you want?
Nothing.
Can you eat something?
No.
Devante, if I had more money, I would buy more food.
Okay, I'll eat you.
The thug who had taken the paddy wagon. Are you paying attention?
Yeah.
Over this side. The thug who had taken the paddy wagon said it was right over there. Patrick hurried into the bathroom. Then the thug looked down at SpongeBob, who was trying to take the key out his pocket. SpongeBob jiggled nervously. Oh, right here, he said. The bathroom. That's where it's empty and I'll run in there.
Mommy, why we always had the same food every day?
Because I always explain it to you. I'm not working and I don't have no money like that right now.
So why didn't I get a job?
I'm trying. Every time I drop you off at school, I go out and I look a job. I try to find me a job so we could eat rice and chicken and fish, crabs and everything.
Okay.
Just like we used to, remember?
Yes.
But you don't like bread and juice?
No.
It's gonna get better, okay?
Okay.
Everything gonna be alright? Love you? Kiss, kiss, kiss. Love you, okay?
Love you.
I love you. You want a slice of bread?
No.
He walked towards the sinking ship. God, please, I beg you, find me a way out of this. Every day I get up, God, to find a job, and nobody now hire me. Nobody will hire me. Please help me, God. Help me. Just put some food in my fridge so my son can eat. Nowhere to turn. Nowhere to turn, God. Please, God, protect me. Amen. Hello.
Hello. How you doing?
Hi, it's Summer. How you doing?
It's Summer. How you doing? Welcome. What can I do for you
Dad,
today?
it took me the longest to get here.
Really?
I'm here to see if I can get some assistance for my son. Food stamps or anything, cash, whatever.
Okay. Okay. So let's see. Where do you live now? Where do you?
I'm in Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
Yeah.
You're in the Southwest.
Southwest Philly.
Okay. I see here you've been to the central office.
Yeah.
And you spoke with the supervisor.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Can I just go over your papers real quick?
Yeah. No problem. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. The problem is you were hired as an independent contractor. Being an independent contractor means you were not an employee. The employer wasn't taking taxes from your wages, and you were supposed to be paying taxes. And since you haven't paid any tax at all since you were there, it's one criteria that you haven't met. In that case, as an independent contractor, you didn't pay tax, so you don't qualify for any relief. And
What am I supposed to do? Like, what's the next thing to do if I can't get help from the state? He's a citizen. How can you not help us, American citizen? What is this? He's a kid. He's only 7 years old.
I understand. There's certain charges
I don't think it's fair for it's not fair for him. Like seriously, I'm the mother. That was me working without no taxes taken out of my paycheck. But that's not his problem.
Man, I understand. I see your kind of
This is
time
crazy.
every day. I understand what you're saying. If anything else, we have to go back to them and try to make exceptions. We're not qualified to make exceptions here. We just follow the rules, especially being that you already talked on.
It's fine. It's fine. It's in my favor. It's fine. Thank you. I'm sorry to bother you. I'm sorry. Thank you.
I feel sorry, but
it's fine.
if you want, you can call us later.
It's fine. There's nothing you can do. I wasn't paying taxes, and I'm sorry. My son will just not eat for the next couple of days because I can't get help for him, and he's an American citizen. It's fine. It's all right. Thank you. Nice meeting you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for nothing.
Have a good day.
Whatever.
Good luck, man.
To you I cry, O Lord, my rock. Please forgive me for all that I'm about to do. Don't be silent to me, because for you I put all my trust. Lord, how many has increased and put me down. Please don't let me be put to shame. Hear my cry, O Lord. For you I put all my trust. Guide me, correct me when I'm wrong. Stand by me, Lord, because the journey that I'm about to make is one that I don't want to take alone.
Kim?
My son is in need.
My name is Cock.
I have no food in my refrigerator.
That's a funny name.
I have no rent. I have no job.
Are you a cop?
I have no one.
Could be an undercover.
Be the one I need right now. Guide me, correct me. Let me turn back, Lord. Don't let me take this walk alone.
John Cock.
John Cock.
Oh, John Cock. Don't worry about my name. You got my name. My name is John Cock.
Well, I can't see your face.
Oh, it's time it's cold. I'm wearing a hood. I always wear my hood. It's made me feel comfortable.
Hope you're not a convicted killer or something.
Oh no, baby. Why would you say that?
Well, because you kind of look a little scary looking. I don't know.
Oh, baby, I'm sorry. Do you want me to take my hood off or something?
I mean, it's fine. If that's how you feel comfortable.
Okay, well, when we get to the restaurant, you will all see my face and everything.
To be honest, I don't have a lot of time. I have
You're not hungry, baby?
I'm not really hungry. I just wanted to funny hang out a little bit.
You're so beautiful, baby. Can you spend a moment?
I could spend at least 30 minutes together.
I'll make it nice, baby.
Alright, just drive away from here. I don't know if it's any cops.
So I'll take you to my place.
Okay.
It's just around the corner, baby. You don't
Alright.
have to worry about it.
Okay.
Watch your step, baby. Yeah, this is where I'm working.
So you're really a constructor for real?
Yeah, of course, baby. Now you believe what I'm saying. You know, I'll show you upstairs. That's okay. It's safe. It's safe, baby. Here. Watch your step, baby. Be careful. You're such a beauty, baby. Careful, baby. You're so beautiful, babe.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Yeah.
So which way?
This way, baby.
The room?
Yeah, this room. Yeah, this is where I'm at, baby.
Let's see.
Why you get me yourself comfortable? You can have a seat right here on my bed.
Nah, I like to, you know, I never done something here before. It's just
That's
weird.
okay, it's always the first and everything.
Oh God, what am I doing?
How you doing well, babes? Have a seat, you know, let me have a talk, you know.
I'm a want to do. I just want.
We're in a mood and everything. Can I taste them, babe? Oh, you're so sexy. I like them legs.
You know what?
What's wrong, baby?
I'll take it off. I'm fine.
Something definitely happened to you. You can talk to me. I'm a man of God. You can talk to me. It's okay. You know. Listen. No, how can I do that? Talk to me honest. Whatever you're going through, God loves you. The scripture says that God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son. Whosoever believeth in Him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Christ is talking to us. He says, cast all your cares upon me, for I care for you. He says, come unto me all you that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest.
Not talk to me. Never talk to me.
Because God so loved the world, He loved all of us.
You don't like me then?
What do you think so? Tell me what's your idea. Why you think so?
Everything I got you, everything I got you. You just don't help me now at all. I'm trying now. Help me, but just me now at all.
Me can't bother with this, you know. Last night, me said me pick up this girl when me I go home, you know, when me realize the girl kept on the wallet, you know, me have to run down the girl, go downstairs with a piece of two before, you know. And the girl dropped the wallet, you know, and cut up on the boulevard, you know. Gunshot for a bumper wall.
Excuse me, are you in charge?
Yes.
But it's just one open eye. You don't need any help or something?
No, we don't need any help.
You need any cash register?
No cash register, please. Probably next door.
Okay, thank you.
Make revenue, okay.
Alright, thanks.
Thank you, have a blessed day. Big battle number one.
How are you? Good morning.
Hey, I was just wondering, are you guys hiring?
Yes, good day, no man.
May I afford it now? Good morning, I wonder if I'm not hire.
No, we're not hire. You're going to the street on this up.
You sure you have nothing on here for me though?
No, I'm not going to do right, you know. If we just step down the street, that's our hands. You want I respect you, daughter. You look good anyway, your body's fat. Let's start drinking water. I remember these come back at that time, you know. I'm not going to go right now.
I am, man, because you're trying customers.
Yes, I'll take what you have. Pretty looks, they're going to go have money.
Well, I don't know what to say.
Yeah.
You're the boss, you're the boss, you're the boss.
Respect you. Alright. We're having good food here still.
Everything lovely, but she knows that we just make a move look while I get up and work off the thing for me to blood clean, everything safe man. Yeah. Me say what a bad man, we talk about yeah, should I get a look up with that and thing so, and what's not face man.
It's more than one of them?
Okay man, you know Rasta man do it already.
Yeah, you know we do it real. Enough girls around here, you know.
Yeah, so yeah. Walk on different damn thing.
Oh, the kid that I give that $10,000 to do that show with an artist. Yeah. He ain't doing anything. He just keep calling me and said, yeah, doing it, but he doesn't even show me any info. Said, well, this is the artist, what he doing it with, you know. And my friends, they are getting upset about this. Yeah, right. Well, it's $10,000, and you know, $10,000 hard to get in this time. Sure, yeah. So we come up with this money and give him. So I need for him now to come. Yo! Turn on your music! Turn on the music! Yeah! Damn! What do you mean all this? Daddy! Yeah!
turn it down, yeah, you hear me? Damn, why you have to blast the music like that, babe? Yeah? You feeling good? I'm about to come check you. Yeah, man, come over. Put something sexy on for me. I'm coming, alright? Yeah.
I need my fucking $10,000 right now. See? Yeah. I can't talk to you too soft, bro. I give him my $10,000 to keep a show with an artist. Me and my friends that make up this $10,000 to give you to do this show with this artist.
And as I told you, I buy equipment, right? For the studio.
What kind of equipment you for use by Big Mike? Where you talking? Where you talking? Where you talking?
I wanna hook up the studio, blood.
What kind of studio artist me give the money for keep? Sure. All you figure, you're wearing the artist with $10,000.
What kind of idiot father I bring up against me?
Where you talking about? Quiet, man, quiet. With $10,000 more, you know.
Idiot father I bring up.
What kind of idiot father? Listen, mind your man. Watch out. Mayo, me $10,000 me need. Me $10,000 me need. No! We are going to tell me about studio.
As a matter of fact, I want to tell you, no, man, I just bring you your money, blood. I get your money, because I look on lifetime investment and I look on a different thing.
Listen, I give you that to keep a show. It's different business you're talking about.
The big man said, bringing the money and thing and the artist. It's a nice kind of yo thing we are dealing with. And as a matter of fact, get up off of that chair, you don't know something to do with your rough. See? Bring the money and be a good.
Money! Go and buy. Alright. Bring a good artist come. That's me can make 50 times $10,000. Since a studio equipment to go buy with my money, when we give you for use, keep a show. You come tell me about studio. What you talk about? My youth, listen. It's either the $10,000 or you bring a good artist from Vice then and make me get back some money because you're not going like what happened. See? This brethren is joking. You take us a player. No games. I don't play games. Game play with it to oneself.
Listen, love, man. I bring you your money, blood.
Listen, just one way I go and make a 30 day me again now. Oi. Come back here, son, man. Come back here, son. Listen. You hear what me just said to you? Bring a good artist come. That's I can get some good tune from them. For at the end of the day, you're not going like what will happen to you. So just believe it. For it's not a joke, you know.
Yeah, we want the 10,000 or more. So we want the money, we want the artist.
You understand? You hear what the second say?
Investment. Come back.
For this money, I don't even want to tell him, I don't even want to quit me. So if I quit me, I know what's going to take place. Just 30 days here. Bring back an artist or with $10,000.
If 30 days come, you don't come with it, just like a 5 isn't it?
You're not going to like that one. So just leave now. One through my door. One. Now make me see you back till 30 days.
See that video with them like a DVD boy and you get in your money.
Oh, you mean? I like a young rasta and them make them body. For this whole heap of girl work thing with them. Shit ain't working out.
John.
I don't feel like just get the artist, just the middle thing.
By karaoke thing we say, man.
Yeah, and link up tomorrow.
I just bring them artists and them money.
Yeah, man.
I show them so I clean you. I quit now, we get them thing, I big that thing. They're mad, man. I worry about that time, man, for real, man. Can't make them shook up. That's what I deal with.
Yeah, give me my drops.
You still want
Hey, what a surprise!
Can't wait to leave me alone, man.
Lock change, you can't go inside.
What do you mean lock change?
Yes, Tessie.
What do you mean the lock change? How about this, man?
Yes. Then if you not pay me rent, me not fi change me lock. Everybody pay for them rent, them lock now go change.
But tell you the 15 cat, I know me don't get.
Listen now, lady, me upstairs and see how your picnic are coming at my place.
Can't me tell you the 15, I always pay your rent no matter what, can I always pay your rent.
Listen, make I tell you something. It's only young people with these dressing and bossy walk and talk on street and drawing attraction and these boy in these nice car. We don't mean nothing. And you tell me say every 15 of the month you get paid. And yet you can't pay me my rent, but you can't buy this whole heap of fire and dangles and something. But one thing make me go give you the key for you and this going there. I threw a picnic. For God so loved the world that since send them a little nice picnic. You're not nice. You're not nice. Me rent me want.
So me go into the house.
Say who me make life hard.
My friend gave me a key to an abandoned car. We can spend the night there. Everything alright?
Yeah. Oh, mommy.
Huh?
Why we live on the road?
Just for now, because you know mommy didn't have the rent for the landlord, so
Can I help you do your homework?
that's why we're just gonna be here for a little bit, not for long.
Hey, mommy. Oh, when we get a house? So come on, I want to see.
When mommy gets some money and get a real job, okay? A real good job, okay?
Study somewhere, isn't it, Devante?
Alright, sweetie, love you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh God, why you always gotta be so difficult?
Okay.
You know if it's spell cat?
Yeah, C-A-T.
Rat?
R-A-T.
Mat?
M-A-T.
Fat?
F-A-T.
Alright, can you spell love? Mommy love you?
Yeah, L-O-V-E.
Alright, kiss mommy, I love you.
Mommy, when I get home? That's why.
Why you say that?
Because I want to go home.
Remember we just got put out?
Yeah, but nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
I just got put out. We're gonna go home soon, okay?
Okay.
When I get back another job, we go home, okay?
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Love you. Come we go sleep, yeah? I'm tired. Come we go to bed. Put away your homework now. You good, right?
Yeah.
Come. Tomorrow morning we'll go to McDonald's and take a shower and I'll bring you to school. Okay? Don't tell the teacher them that you live in a car, okay?
I tell my teacher.
Tomorrow morning don't tell the teacher them what's going on in Devante, please. Well, they'll take you from me, okay? Alright?
Hey, you're sexy.
Alright. You have lotion on your face? Wait a minute, let me give him a brush. Hold on, let me wait for me now.
Okay.
Devante! Them so we can't take you to the man. Devante! Sure. Do this to me every day, man. Come on, you're not late.
Why the birthday party I look good enough? Can't go to the birthday party and drink 2 shots. Why it's my big nephew coming in now? Uncle! That's my big nephew. What's up, Uncle? You good? Uncle! Yes sir, yes sir. Soup man! Good? Yeah man, what's going on? I'll bring you come here now. Huh? Bring your come here now.
What you mean you gonna bring my come here? Looking good, man.
I tell you boy, young girl, I take care of me.
Yeah, looking good. No, you
your uncle already.
What's your day? What's your day? I mean, you always have one around. What's going on?
She's supposed to come.
Yeah, what's going on?
She's supposed to sit there, but I wish she just come. Look what I tell me, say shop come.
Yeah? I know you, man, on top of
it. Tell the boy, you want to see her. So what to your old man?
Yeah, he's good.
You good?
He's good.
Long time when you hear from him.
Yeah, he's working.
When you hear from him, tell him to give me a call.
Yeah.
He have some money for me to you and go like him a duck and go like you know how I give him, but my brother stay with him, I watch no face.
Yeah, I'll let him know.
Yeah. So what happened to you now?
What's going on, man?
Alright, go ahead. Talk to me, little Virginia. Yeah, talk to him, I got a party, rock party, William Pett go drink 2 champagne, you know?
Yeah, that sounds right.
I'm going to ease the back, you know?
I need your help, bro.
Alright, boy. I tell you, man. My nephew, man. My nephew, everything he wants, you know, me my friend come to you, you know, you know, my father, you know. You come like I'm your second father.
You know that. But I need your help this time.
So we talk to me.
I need 10 G's.
Jesus Christ. $10,000 I want from me now. Where me want to get that from for you?
Come on, Unc.
I'm in a bank, you know, big man. You're in a bank, you know.
I know that, but I know that, bro. Come on, man.
I dribble down, look at this save, you know me, I dribble down, nothing now, go back in life, you know, so things are hard. Things rough.
I know it's hard right now, man.
I might look at people and boy, God bless, I don't bless, I find them, come to boy, them can't give me a little thing, if I go on, nothing now, turn, just the restaurant alone, yeah. And God bless for the restaurant I go on with. So I say, you have 2 man around there, so I have to pay and right now I owe them from last week and I can't pay them yet. So I don't know where I go on. But here what I'm now. I look at things still low enough. I'm a stock way enough. So I say, I don't know. Can maybe get a little tree? Can maybe get a little 3 grand for go do what you do and I don't know, maybe next week you can check my back. Yeah man, boy, I have to help you out time. I don't want nothing really, I don't want nothing to do because you have a big nephew. I don't want nothing to do. But you have to give your father a talk. Your father a talk, make him come talk to me. I need to talk to him because he owe me some money.
What you got here? You got money? How much money you got? You only got $1. You can't buy nothing with $1.
Hi, can I help you?
No, we alright. You don't have no chips?
Not really.
Credit card company, you heard me. Do not make
So you said you don't have no chips, right?
One phone call to 1-800-933-1779. Because if you have credit card debt and
No, I'm alright, thank you.
payments, the interest and late fees will keep adding up and getting you further into debt. If you want to get debt-free faster than you ever imagined.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Did you see something? Hey. Thief, come back here. You stupid lady. Shit.
Yo, that's hot.
That's some hot shit right there. It's hot, man.
Yo, G.
Yo.
I gotta go to New York for a minute, man. I gotta go chill out for a while.
Damn, man. That's fucked up, man.
My head is not nice right now, man. My girl cheating on me. Went to my girl's crib the other day. I saw a dude coming out, man. She fucking on me and shit. Like,
fucked up shit right there, man.
I gotta go chill out, man. I gotta go where the family's at right now. Plus,
you know what? Just do that for a minute. Fall back, take care of yourself. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I see you when you come back to the studio to work with some music, okay?
Yeah, man. Trust me, man. Mother love, see?
All right, man.
Listen, good luck.
I'll let you, man.
Let me get on this phone here, Christ. 9-1. Yeah, hello. Yeah, I'm right up at the corner. Yeah, I just was putting trash out. I see a lady in the car. Looks like there's a little boy with her. It's pretty cold out there, you know. It looks like they're sleeping in the car. I don't know if they have a place to stay or what. Can you get somebody over here right away? Alright, thanks. Yeah, just go up to the corner and make a left. You'll see the white car. They're sitting, they're laying there. Okay, thank you.
God, what a mess. What a mess. I don't understand it anymore. People can't even have a place to live. Yeah, all right.
I watched them sleep with tears in my eyes, worried about where our next meal will come from. I know one day everything will be alright, but deep in my heart I know things is not okay at the moment. I cried for me, and I cried for my son, but the old man that lived in the building where the car was parked at decided to call the cops. Is this for better or is it for worse? I'm glad that he did call the cops, because I know Devante is sleeping at a warm place, even though he's not with me. All I always wanted was for him to be with me in all my troubles. Everything I go through, I wanted him to be there with me, to go through it with me. So at the end, he'll know that mommy was always here. Even though I didn't have it, I was always here, unlike his father. I ran to Joey for help, and it usually came around. But I slept at the laundromat.
I'm done to the long time, so I need that to come check my man.
I like to depend on nobody for nothing, man.
Sure, I'm
going to do my son, I'm going to do. I'm going to manage, man. I'm going to manage. I'm God. I'm God with the son.
Right now, my cousin there. I show them the vibes and thing where we are going. And them have to go. Because you have to come stay, you know what I mean? Any amount of time you want to stay and we'll see if we can get my little boy. You see what I say? I'm sorry for you about that still. John knows time.
Nobody not there for me. I just me and my son. I have nobody but Devante. I'm God with my son, Javier. I'm God with them. I'm God with Devante. What me going to do? I'm God with them, man. I'm God.
You depend on the road and know if you show me what I want.
Never have nowhere for go, never have nowhere for go, nowhere for turn, nowhere for do all them go with the sun.
We're going to turn right to you now still. Because we can see if we can get by the little boy and thing. You see what I say? You can have a place to rest your head and thing. You know what I mean? So just relax now, just rest your head and thing, and Monday morning early we just go deal with the little boy case. You see what I say?
Can't wait till Monday, we can't wait till Monday.
Then tomorrow we'll do it then. Tomorrow we'll do it then.
Till Monday.
I'm gonna come down, man, and go on somewhere. Because I can't believe you're up on the road and nothing. Show me vibes.
I never have no phone, I never have no.
See, you could come check me. I know. So I know it's time. I just saw for years to go to come out and take him, man.
Just small lie down. Lie down, we're bed. We can't lie down here.
No, in there, you can just make yourself comfortable, yeah?
Show me your bed. Show me your bed.
Right, that's it.
I just want to lie down, Joey. I'm going to
yourself, yeah?
I'm going to do.
Outside cool as fuck. Oh yeah.
Joey, what one? Oh, go on. Tell a girlfriend now if you come on the bar down Comfort Zone, 59th Street and Market. I have karaoke going on here. Yeah, man, it's good. Alright? Yeah, man.
Just see that can't draw no cure, but we live in it hard. Time tough for me, take the lead. The one we got to feel is to fight the need. Cheer up the fight, zero execute greed. Happy feeling good.
Ladies and gentlemen, we gonna take you on. This ain't karaoke, this is something special tonight. This is way out there. We out. Apparently, we got a couple of artists out here. We have a song. Alright.
I'm summer, I never sing before, but I'm gonna try something. My friend trying to get me to sing. It's called Living Tired. Mom, Dad, where are you, Mom? Next to school, Mom. I'm here. Living is hard. Now that I'm alone, I need someone to hold me. When the winter gets so cold, living is hard.
D, that weed, you know what I'm saying? Little risk.
Hello? Speaking. Oh, welcome, Daddy. Yeah, 12:30 sound good. Yeah, man, I know exactly what's on the best then.
Who that song? Who that come out for?
Daddy, the guy, I'm gonna tell you about.
So again now.
I'm gonna come out of the bathroom. Hello? I wish part of the man. I think it's a Sunday best. Be in the restaurant. Alright, I'm coming to write this one, yeah?
Maybe I'm gonna call you back, man. I'm at the restaurant. I'm waiting on somebody right now. Man, doing some business, alright? Girlfriend, I'm calling when we're done dealing with business. As a matter of fact, she just walking through.
I don't want no DVDs, I'm good.
I'll call you.
I have to meet you at Sunday best when you're over being in the you always try to be alone.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, trust me. You don't even know how happy I am, man. Trust me, man.
Oh, God. Outside cool in the man?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The weather is very cold, very cold.
Anyway, we just want to get to the point. We have to know.
What I'm saying. Don't you see me smiling? Can't you tell what I'm saying?
I'm smiling too, but I don't know what's up.
Because it's happy days right around the corner. Things are gonna be great, man. I got a guy from the magazine ready, and we're gonna get some interviews going. We're gonna make you a star. That's what I promise you. That's what's gonna happen.
So you want to use just my name as Summer, or you want to change the name, or?
I want you to be Summer Angel.
Summer Angel.
You're an angel. Summer Angel. Come on, look at you. Fine as ever.
Yes. Anyway, so what about like studio and the studio time and so me have to pay for that already?
Don't worry about studio time. All I want you to do is sing like an angel. Don't worry about studio time right now. Just go sing like an angel. We got the studio. We got all the equipment.
Before me put my 100% in this, right?
Yeah.
Where is it gonna take me? Am I gonna just do this just to do it, or
come on, baby.
What's going on?
Do I look like a person that just do something just for good? I do you just for doing it.
Looks can be deceiving though.
That's so. That's so.
So you want me to start the door?
Baby, I'm trying to get it cracking right now. So let's just make it happen right now. Alright, let's just do some work. Let's see what's going on.
Let's see what's going to happen. Just don't let me waste my time. Just, you know, right now I'm so hard.
Good, looking good, man. Look at you. Real angel. Yeah.
They're not bad nothing?
No, I'm good. I've been here for a while.
You know, somebody talk to daddy today.
So daddy I say.
We talk about things for, you know, goals and so I need to get me out there.
Goals like what kind of goals am I talking about?
Like a video, pictures, the whole night, you know. Hey mom, call me Summer Angel.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Summer Angel.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy want to call you.
What do you think about that? Mm-hmm.
No, I think that will work, you know.
Oh, it's not gonna work.
Because you know, say I'm my angel.
Is that jealousy I'm hearing?
No, I'm real jealous like that.
You sure?
Yeah?
You sure?
Yeah, I'm not jealous like that.
Because you know how being jealous just turns me on.
Well, guess I'm jealous now.
Oh, which part of it hurt?
That's what hurt, man. Rastafari.
It hurt yourself? Which part of it hurt more?
Woman I want. Woman I want. I'm feeling for you, girl. Even when it's cold, girl. I'm feeling for you, my baby.
Lord, I know what I'm doing is wrong, but a woman wants what a woman needs, and I haven't had this in such a long time. Please forgive me for what I'm doing. I'm coming to you. I hear you calling me. I'm coming. Just forgive me and help me find my son. I just need this right now. It's been so long. But I hear you calling. I hear you calling. I'm coming. I'm coming to you.
Hello?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Are you the pastor here?
I'm the pastor.
I just needed somebody to talk to. Are you available right now? Alright, thanks.
So what's your name?
Summer.
So how did you end up on the street?
I lost my job at first, and the landlord, he's been trying. Do you have a card?
I have a card. In fact, we're having a Thanksgiving lunch coming up.
Okay, as long as there's food, I'm there.
Thanks. God bless.
Alright.
My mission today is to bring my son home. I can't sleep. How can I eat, not knowing where my son is, what he's doing and who he's doing it with, where he's sleeping? Deep down I know he's okay. But how can he be okay? I wonder if he's not around his mom. No father, no family. Nothing biologically. My heart cries. Help me find my little boy. Please, Lord. Help me find my son.
Hi, how you doing? Hello. I'm Summer. I called you guys a couple of days ago. Regarding? My son, Devante.
What's his last name?
They said something about 30 days I could get him back, so I got a place to live now. Everything is alright. You should be able to come home, right?
Well, I did Brown's case like 2 weeks ago. He was adopted.
What you mean he was adopted?
He was adopted. I remember him because I did this case. We couldn't get a hold of anybody.
The cops told me that it's 30 days maximum. If I don't come back in 30 days or find somewhere to live, I could get him back.
Well, the problem is I was trying, my job.
But is that against the law to adopt somebody's kids within 2 weeks?
Well, we didn't have any contact on him. No contact, no information, no parents.
What am I supposed to do now? I'm tired of crying. What am I supposed to do now? What am I to do now? Like, what am I supposed to do?
Well, once his file is closed,
how are you going to adopt somebody's kids in 2 weeks? I never heard of something like that.
Yes, if we can't get a hold of anybody, that's what happened.
So what me I going to do now? Tell me not carrying, man. Please, may I beg you, please. I have nobody in the world. May I beg you, please find my son. Please, may I beg you, please.
Well, once he's adopted, there's nothing I could do. There's nothing. We're trying to get a hold of someone and we couldn't get any information.
How are you going to get a hold of me if I didn't give him a number? I didn't have a number. I didn't have a home.
Well, we did have numbers. We did have a couple of numbers and we couldn't get a hold of anybody. So that's
what am I supposed to do now? What am I supposed to do? It must be a way to get him back because it's just 2 weeks. How somebody going to adopt somebody's son in that 2 weeks? How am I going to sleep tonight? Maybe just find a number for my call him now, please. I just want to see my son, man. Give me an address or something, man. I beg you, please, right now, man. I beg you, no, man. Please, for me. Please, man. I beg you, just give me a number for my son. I want a number for my son, man. What am I going to do now? The only thing I have in the world. I beg you, please tell me who adopt him. I just want to find my son. Please, I'm a mother. Your mother? I beg you, please, just
I'm
help
sorry.
me.
Once the file is closed, there's nothing I can do for you.
I don't want nothing to me. I be a liberty and take me now. What me fit do now? Me turn left, me turn right, and me just can't reach nowhere. Give me a number, me I beg you, miss, please. Please. I don't know what to do now. I be here to see her. Call me through now.
Miss Summer.
Jesus, please make she find a way out for me.
I'm gonna give you a call and see what I can do for you, okay?
Thank you.
Can I have your phone number?
267-752-2983.
And what time I can reach you?
Anytime, night, day, whatever. 12 o'clock, anytime, just call me.
Alright, I'm gonna pull this file and see what I could do for
Please,
you.
may I beg you, please, yeah?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright. Good luck.
Alright, thank you, sweetie.
Alright.
Until the day comes when you know the right time for my son to come home, I will wait. I'm not going to complain no more. Because I have faith.
Hi, is this Summer? Hi, how you doing? I'm Karine, I'm the lady from the adoption agency. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna help you get your son back, okay? But can you do me a favor and don't come up back to my office? Okay? Yeah. Okay. Just call me at this number, okay? Alright. Okay. Well, I'm gonna call you back and we're gonna take it from there, okay? Yeah. Well, the same thing happened to me before. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, you're welcome. All right. Bye.
Treat me good. Treat me good.
You got anything to talk about?
No, but that's what I'm about.
Come on, man. Stop calling my phone.
You can't tell me that. Yeah, what you gonna do? If the children know from stop calling, come and stop calling.
Just call me later on, man. I'm busy. I got a meeting.
So I can't finish talking right now. The reason I'm doing it because they don't have the time for me. I'm in the freaking studio and them thing there.
I have a meeting. Call me later on.
Whatever. We call you.
It's gonna be right, don't wanna fuss and fight. You and me tonight under the candlelight. I know it's been a while since we've done this before, but tonight's the night.
White rice and curry.
White rice and curry.
Small one.
Are you sharing your food at the white rice curry? Can you tell us you're going to mix up? Mix up. Then you say some friend, you have some friend coming to kill Danny. Who are? Then you say borrow some money from some entertainer, some Batman man. They have entertainer to come do some show up. Really? But I want to know, say you're a friend. Let me tell you something. You see Danny? Yeah. I know him from bad. I know him mom, I know him football. And if I $10,000, they want to kill him. Tell him some pay it. One for the producer, and that's why the guy spell producer. If you don't know, send him at school. But I will buy this business family. You know what girl named Summer? Yeah, my friend. She good? Yeah, good cat, she good buy. How good she is? Good. Because I should make her good cat. She never carry with the bad man there. I never know all of that. I never know somebody that. I should never tell you.
Oh.
Are the guy that?
Yeah, I did that. Big man, that, you know? Trust me, star. Go on.
What's up, blood?
Yeah, man, everything good, man.
Alright?
Yeah. Fire.
Yeah, man.
I artist this, you know.
Yeah, the artist this?
Yeah.
The artist,
No bother with it, man. No bother with it.
Yeah, I know
I have money and talk about the whole time.
Oh, you mean
No,
that? Yeah, then she don't live there and I want to pay me rent.
Yo, me pay the money and rent every month.
She not
One
pay her
time,
rent.
them fire me and one time I go to the man, tell the man so me go late.
She said the first, when me come the first, she said the fifth. When me come the fifth, me have to come back in 15.
Come on, man.
Yo,
now we have actually say, man, go on here now, man. How do you feel like? Go on, where you go?
Listen, man, say you go on, this is funny.
Actually, say I sing.
What do you mean? I'm the singer that.
Sing. What? You can go do re mi fa sol la ti do.
A goal that.
Goal. Kind of goal.
Goal.
Mine ya tap.
You goal to them name on. Yo, come here, come on.
Feel like. No run them through.
Just let me do it, man, for me, man.
Yeah, you can do what you do.
You do you, man. Just let me do me.
So I choose that you want me to rent and gas. You come and tell me about that. The money I spend. I want to hear you. Yeah, man, that brother there with my 10,000 I come carry girl to me about rare singer and them people. Buzz the gate there. For sure, call buzz the gate, call my friend them, make them put to him blouse and skirt. But get the spin that down here and come and shoot the boy. I when feel like, I take man for player. I want to that boy they take my money and I play around and come. And me just run out the girl out of me and him had used my $10,000. I was doing, me just give her notice and him a come with her, say she a singer with my money. I shot me, I shot
me. No, me you say me you want bring go gay cat them because them a look for artists or something. Me tell you some an artist and you make them wanna embarrass me. Me don't want nothing to do with you that in our cat. I go through too much things right now. Music got the last thing for my head. I can't sing. I don't want nothing to do with cat daddy, man. Maybe get stop calling my phone. I must know some money in it, man. But I can't deal with cat no more, man. You must understand. You make me lose my son, daddy. You put me out in the cold in the winter, me and my son. Me no miserable daddy, man. Fine. You see true me like it, daddy? Yeah, you try and look at youth. Me I go come do it now. But me tell me I'm not an artist and you have the money embarrass me. We'll do it. Call me later, man. You better make me a rich man, you know, daddy, after the end of this, you know. You better make me a rich girl. You better. More come. Me have a verse, the last verse, alright. 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 Yeah, man. Yeah, man, more come. Me never go studio before, though. Alright, daddy. Alright. People must trouble me, some man. Whatever for my son and a man. Sure.
I was going like say, yeah. It's so romantic.
Everything is brilliant, man.
So what them people are?
Basically, I want to say a family. Family. That's right there.
Them always take the song fence to the door?
No, man. So do somebody song.
Hey, how you doing?
You walk on the thing, you know? For real, come here.
Girl, you was sexy, man.
Oh, thanks. That's the same thing this crazy one said.
Beautiful, man. Thick and beautiful. Right now, the angel is drop the ball. Music, I know me hear the bomb I play. Angel, this my call her the Angel. Her name is Summer Angel.
Oh, yeah, I was that.
Yeah.
Where you find her from? Heaven?
I'm telling you. Right now, I'm telling you. Happy moments right now. So
she can do for you and daddy?
She's brilliant, man. Right now I want to bring her to a status like Shakira, Rihanna. As a living star.
We have the proof for that. There's one me say Summer.
Only one thing, me never come on studio before.
She never going on music before, so I've got to take time with her.
I know, a daddy name them just call on that, so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, the tune bad, bad. Boy, I'm not disappointed. The youth tell me, I say, Chuck, Jano, artist more music by studio. And for hear the tune, man. Tune bad. Yeah, Dan. Why I hear the girl tune a play terrible on the radio, them not stop playing up. Summer Angel. Living is hard. I never know say she was so good. Yeah. Why I disappointed about you doing the, using my money doing that, but I'm proud of you. Forgive me for what I say. Rastafari. Yes, me youth. Blessed. Well, it's true. For it's all about music and have a label, as I tell you. So it make R&R and Wildfire record go bigger now. You see? So I just, yes, exactly. Aye, blessed Rastafari. True, the girl sound good, man. Very good. Peace. Alright, Rasta guy.